In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create tags in Clickup. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click to add clear, consistent tags to your tasks so you can organize work and find things faster. First, open Clickup and head to the overview of your workspace. This is your home base where you can see the big picture. If your layout looks a bit different, don't worry. Clickup's interface can vary by plan and personal settings, but you're looking for the main overview area for your workspace. From there, choose the space where you want to work. A space is a top-level container for teams, departments, or major initiatives. Picking the right space matters because tags you create here will be available across the items in that space. If you're unsure which space to use, think about where the tasks live and who needs to see and use these tags. Next, drill down into the project within that space. This is where your actual tasks are organized. Open the project that contains the task you want to tag. The goal is simply to get to the task level so you can attach or create the tag right where the work happens. Open the task and look near the top right corner of the task name. You'll see the tag area or a small tag icon. This is the Edit Tags control. Click it. This opens the tag picker, which shows any tags that already exist in the space and lets you add new ones. If you don't see the control, make sure you're in the full task view, not a condensed quick view. In the tag field, start typing the tag you want. If it already exists, select it so you maintain consistency. If it doesn't exist yet, confirm the new tag to create it instantly and apply it to the task. Keep your tag names short, specific, and easy to scan. For example, use clear category or priority words your team already understands. Consistent spelling and simple phrasing will save you time later when you filter or search by tag. After you add it, you'll see the tag appear right next to the task title. That's it. You navigated to your workspace overview, entered the right space, opened the project, clicked the Edit Tags option on the task, and typed in the tag to apply it. From here, you can filter task lists by that tag, group tasks and views using tags, and quickly spot related work across your project. If your team uses multiple tags, agree on a naming pattern before you add more. A small amount of planning keeps your workspace clean and makes reporting far more reliable. Thanks for watching, and now you're ready to create tags and ClickUp with confidence.